Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to enable mobile data usage on Netflix app. So to do this, it's very simple. There is two ways. So the first one is to go to your settings, and after that go to cellular, and after that scroll down a little bit until you find your apps. Click on show all, and after that go and type Netflix, and be sure here that like the data use for Netflix is like for in the third one WLAN and cellular data. So because if you put only WLAN, your Netflix will work only if you are connected to Wi-Fi, and if you are not connected to Wi-Fi, the Netflix will not work. Okay, so the second option that you should check is to go to Netflix, and after that go and click on my Netflix. After that go and click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. After that go and click on app settings and go to the first option, which is cellular data usage. Now for me it's automatic, so I can use my Netflix on cellular data or also on Wi-Fi. So you can put it like that and it's the best, or also you can choose save data, so it will use less data from your SIM card, or maximum data, so it will increase the quality of the videos but it will take more data. And the best is to put it like on automatic like that, and everything is good and you can use your Netflix on Wi-Fi or also on your mobile data. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.